After you've written your thesis statement and gathered the evidence for your essay, the next step will be to write the first topic sentence of body paragraph 1. If you aren't already on slide 15 of the Literary Analysis Compare and Contrast Essay slide deck, please pause the video and make sure that you are in the right place. On slide 15, you're going to be writing just the first sentence, the topic sentence, that gives your reader the idea of what this paragraph will mostly be about. At the top, you'll see a red box that says this paragraph is going to focus on. You should fill out this box. The main idea here is that the first paragraph focuses on the similarities between Dee and the little girl in Legacies. This box should match the first part of your thesis statement that you filled out on slide 12. If you want to see an example of just the topic sentence, you can click on that link and take a look at what Mrs. LaPaglia wrote. For example, hers reads, "Freedom and individuality are both critically important to both the narrator of Identity and Jonas." All you'll need to write on this slide today is that first topic sentence. Yours can be similar to what you see on Mrs. LaPaglia's example. After you've finished writing that first topic sentence for your first body paragraph, you can then move on to the second one. This will be, again, focused on the second part of your thesis statement. So if you look back at your thesis statement, category 2, the differences that the two characters have, how they are different. So on slide 16, you are only completing the first body paragraph topic sentence. If you want to see an example, you can click to see what Mrs. LaPaglia wrote. Hers begins with, "However, the two characters differ in their stance towards freedom of choice for the other people in their lives." So this is focusing on how the two characters are different. At this point, you can go ahead and return to your slide deck and focus on writing just the topic sentence, just the first sentence of your first and second body paragraph.